Eggman wants to drop this when you beat him up.
Nice find, bud. Where to next?
Well, the next nearest island is...
Flower Park Zone.
Watch it! You okay?
Yeah, aside from the occasional badnik, this place is really nice.
Yeah! Help!
Somebody's in trouble?
That sounded like... Ah! Daddy! Amy?
Sonic! I knew I'd find you!
Find me? We're the ones who heard. Hold that thought. Now then, what are you doing here?
Isn't it obvious? I want to travel more with you. That's so sweet. Is she your girlfriend now?
No, Tails. And I've got enough tag-alongs, thanks.
Yeah, but the more the merrier, right? Why can't I come too?
I'm busy. No time to rescue you again.
I'm not helpless like I was back then. Please let me come with you.
Nope. Tails has learned to keep up and help out. I don't need you getting in my way.
You drop this.
Thanks.
Let me come, please. I'll make sure to grab any rings you drop. And as for those mean old spikes... my new Pico hammer will clear the way for you. That's so cool. Can she come, please?
Yeah, alright. Come on, you two.
Yay! I want to hear all about what you two did. It started when Dr. Eggman chained a little planet to a mountain. What? And this way I can be sure she won't be kidnapped again.
If I capture you all at once. After I softened you up a bit, of course.
Are you okay?
Spiffy.
What do we do?
The doc thinks he's being clever by ambushing us. I say we do some ambushing ourselves. I'll cut you up like a topiary, hedgehog! What the? Regroup! Regroup!
Hey! I did it!
That's 3-on-1. That's not fair. I'll be ready for you next time. And I'll kick your butt next time. Banter, rinse, repeat. That makes 2 ancient gears. Where to next?
All right. I think we can find another one in...
Cascade Temple Zone.
Ah! There you are. Glad you caught up. Think you can fly me up to the far side of the ruins?
It looks a bit too far for me, especially carrying your weight. Excuse me? Hop into one of these bubbles! They're amazing!
Sounds good. Bubbles don't complain, right?
I'm just saying, maybe lay off the chili dogs a little.
Too slow. More now.
I wonder where we're drifting to. Somewhere with better lighting, I hope. No!
You show that wall, Amy.
The stones in the ceiling look loose. Maybe we can use them. Come on! Help! Thanks, Amy. My pleasure.
Knuckles! What's the big idea, jerk?
Enough games. Give up the Chaos Emerald, Sonic.
What?
Huh? Here we go again.
Don't play coy. Dr. Eggman explained everything to me. Get lost, Eggman. You're not welcome here.
No, Knuckles. Just a minute. I'm a changed man, reformed, and I need your help. In fact, you're the world's only help.
What are you talking about?
You saw what Supersonic did to me and the Death Egg, right? Well, he hasn't stopped since. He's out of control.
You're the only one strong enough, brave enough, and dare I say, smart enough to even stop him.
If Sonic's truly lost it, then I suppose you're right. Which way did he go?
Oh, I'll show you where you laid your trap for him. Until then, let me make it up to you by looking after the Master Emerald.
Sounds good. I'm glad you cleaned up your act. So, are you going to surrender the Chaos Emeralds or what?
I don't have them. If I did, I would have turned into Supersonic by now.
But Eggman said...
He's gathering relics called the Ancient Gears to run his newest machine. He probably wanted the Master Emerald to power it. You done goofed, Knuckles' head.
Eggman!